Blue Cherry rum cream runaway lime drink. That's what we're making tonight. Here's what we're gonna need to make it. Blue Cherry key lime rum cream, Blue Cherry banana rum cream, pineapple juice, and a cup of ice. Let's make this drink. All right, we're gonna start with 1 part of the key lime rum cream. We're going to use 1 part of the banana rum cream. I think we're going to need some new banana rum cream. This is about shot. And 4 parts of pineapple juice. And if you use a can of pineapple juice like this, make sure you shake it because it does have sediment in the bottom. You want to make sure that you get that all mixed in. So I spilled a little. Let's give this a little stir. Actually, you can kind of see that pineapple juice, the acidity just breaking up the rum cream. And if you have a pineapple, garnish it with that. Also, with a couple cherries. We're going to use Bing cherries because we don't have maraschino cherries right now. Now, you can drink this just like this, or if you like a slushie, go ahead and put this in the blender. Don't put the cherries in there. Put this in the blender, and then you got a nice slushie drink. So you can drink it either way. Both ways it's good, but you pick. It's really only one thing left to do, and that's give this a try. So cheers to you. We got it mixed up. Now, that's a refreshing beverage I can take to the poolside and sit there and sip on. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click that thumbs up, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell. You'll get notifications when I post new videos. Thanks for stopping, and cheers to you.